Hi guys, it's day 149 of the house build. Let's see, we had some painters, two painting companies, let me try that again, out to give us prices. They've looked, but we haven't heard back on the prices yet. So let's see, working on the roof, got a lot of the roof done. Working on let's see, the walls, and that's about it. So, excuse me. Let's see what we got. First, we'll do a weather check. So a little cloudy over there, that way, by the mountains, and blue sky. Oh, sorry, I did miss something. The transformer is now hot, so we have power to it. If you can see the blue and the black wire, those are not hooked up to anything yet. Seller's checking my mic here.
Okay, good.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
It's so noisy inside the house.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so back to the transformer. It's hooked up. I'll take a walk over there. Yeah, so that's what we got over here so far. The black and red power wires come down this side of the column in that orange conduit, and then into this gray box, and that's as far as it goes. From there, it'll actually end up going, there'll be another one that'll come out, that'll go down into the ground, and then head over to that side of the house, but that'll all be underground. We do have a meter, so there's a meter now. One thing I was told from our electrician, which I'm assuming he was told by Soreco, which is the local power company, the meter is 1/4 slow. So it sounds like a scam to me, but something about the voltage. They didn't have anything big enough for the voltage for the meter. So it looks like whatever the reading is, we'll have to multiply times 4, and that's what they're going to charge us. So the good news is I've been here for about 1.5 years now paying electric bills, so I know what our current house electricity is. So I'm assuming it's going to be, I mean, maybe just a little bit more, because we do have a well here. So we will be drawing some power from that. Other than that, aircon, everything else should be roughly the same. So if I see anything that's really messed up, then I'll start complaining. So we'll play that by ear when that happens. But anyway, that's that. So there it is. There's everything. Transformer, power wires, everything there. So that's good. Probably in a week or two, we'll be tearing down the barracks. During the night, they'll be staying inside the house now because all the roof's on. So they'll probably be staying in either the water treatment room or the generator room. So, and once this is gone, we can put the underground power, because it's actually going to go right underneath the barracks. It's going to end up over there. So. I got it on video too. So the workers were actually checking out the girls walking by, so they got busted. So yeah, so that's that. So they are working on rendering on this upper portion here. The tarps are to keep the sun off them. So this side's all done, it looks like. They got this portion here to do the whole thing. It looks like they got it started anyway over here. And nothing's been done over here. So But all the scaffolds up for that. We have started bringing in fill dirt to start filling. So for right now, they dumped a load in this area right here. I think this whole area was dirt at one time, soil. So they've been wheelbarrowing from there through the garage here and dumping over the edge of the garage. So I'll take you over there and show you what they've been doing there. And there's Miss Sella. Hello. I'm showing them the fill that they got on the back of the carport right here. So that's where I'm at. All right, so yeah, they've been dumping over the edge here and filling in this area here. So if I had to guess, because I know you're not here, I'm going to say that's probably 4.5 foot, maybe 4.5 feet. Over here, it's probably 4. Over here, it's probably closer to 4.5. So that's that. As you can see, they're working on the roof here in the carport. Pretty much done. Looks like they just got one section right here to do, and that's done. Excuse me. Let's go into the generator room. Ceiling's not going to be real tall in here. I'm about 4 inches from touching that beam right there. So I might be able to touch the ceiling once that's in. So it's not going to be a real tall ceiling, but that is what it is. Again, here's all our windows. This is where we're storing them for now until all the ceilings are done. That way we don't accidentally break some glass. And here is a water room. We got both our bladder tanks. We did talk to the water treatment guy, excuse me. And he suggested the bladder tanks first, and then the water treatment will happen after that. So we're going to follow his advice and do that. To me, it makes more sense that you're not putting contaminated water into the bladder tanks as far as bacteria, but yeah, I don't know. That's what he suggested. So that's that. This I ordered, this T-bar here. I ordered from the U.S. So coming out of the bottom of the tank, we got a 90 elbow with a reducer, and then to this T-bar here. The T-bar contains a shutoff on the one side. This is a pressure valve. If the pressure gets too high, this is basically a faucet underneath here. The water will spray out here and then come into the drain here just in case it does happen. We do have a faucet right here and a manual pressure gauge that we can visually see to find out what pressures is turning on and off. And this is a pressure switch here. So I'll have electronics coming out of this side here, conduit to the wall over here, probably over to here, and then up to the control box. So the control box will be mounted here. This is a plug here that the control box will be plugged into. So it'll be water in that corner, come over to here, 90 over, into here, across, over to here. And this will be all PPR here, with the exception of the reducer elbow, and then also a reducer, because I think we're 1.5 inches off the bottom of the tank, and we're 1.25 inch pipe inside the house. So we'll have PPR attached there. I'll have a union also somewhere out here, and then this T fitting here will be across here. So the PPR pipe will come across here into the T, out of the T, over to here, and then somehow make its way over to the water treatment. So Water treatment guy said possibly Saturday this week, if not Tuesday or Wednesday. I think it's just a one-day job, so so we should have that completed. Water to the tanks and to the filtration, and then they can run the line that goes out here. So it'll go out here after the filtration. The line will go out towards the back of the house, across the back, and hook up. That's our water main across the back of the house. So, but at the corner, so this wall here running over, and then we start running the back of the house. So where the side of the house corner meets the back of the house, I'm going to put this fitting in there. So the guys can actually have water without running it through the system here over there. So we'll have this over there. They'll turn it on and it'll turn on. So, so that's where the new water will be for them. Currently, it's right at the pump where it comes out of the ground. So yeah, currently it's right there. So we're going to come off the side of it here, come down into the ground, because this is all going to get filled up to soil up to about here. That's how far high we're going to raise this elevation. So that the pipe will come down and then come across. Excuse me, trying not to fall here. Let me find my, oh, there, just behind the wood, my bad. All right, so so it will come, the 90 will be turned towards the house. Another 90 will come down, and then we'll come over towards the house, 90 that way. And when it hits that corner over there, before it turns towards the front of the house, we'll put this in there. And then this will be temporary. So the water will come out of here. I'll turn the valve off so it can't go into the bladder tank, which will be where this feeds to. But just in case we do want to run it, we'll have that. And then once we're done and they don't need this water supply for them anymore, we'll cut this off. We'll just put a 90 elbow in that corner in place of it. So that's that. Let me go put this 90-degree fitting back, because if I don't now, I will lose it. So keep it on there, right there. So that's everything in here. I'm thinking this coming weekend, the 2 metal doors, one for the water room here and one here for the generator room. Those should be getting installed. Once that happens, then the guys will move into these 2 rooms here at night. One of the 2, not both, but they can pick one. And then we'll tear down the barracks because we don't need it anymore. So that's that. Yeah, so like I was saying, we're filling back here. We do have another big truckload, dump truckload of soil coming. Until we can get that scaffold down on the side of the house, unfortunately, we're going to have to wheelbarrow. Bless you. We'll have to wheelbarrow. So we did pick, so this level here is going to run out towards the back of the property. So from the patio back 2.5 meters, and there will be a retaining wall that'll run from that property line all the way over to this property line. That will drop 1 meter down, and then that'll be the rest of the elevation. And we'll do 2 sets of steps. So the retaining wall will have a break right here. There'll be a set of steps on this side, and there'll be a set of steps over there at the center of the patio, so you can walk down onto that next tier there. So that's that. That's it for the carport. I don't really see. Looks like everything's pretty much done in here. We will have lights everywhere. There's a junction box up top. Junction box, junction box, junction box, and junction box, and junction box. And if you didn't catch it before I leave the carport, this will be the dirty kitchen here against this wall. So from here over, that'll be the dirty kitchen. Obviously, there's a sink right there. There'll be a cooktop. And this is going to be made out of concrete, so this will not be wood. The rest of our cabinets are all going to be wood, but since this is outside, we decided to do this one actually in concrete. And then we will have upper cupboards also up here. Those will have to be either plastic or aluminum. So that's it. All right, that's about all I can think of for the carport area. Walking into the house. Laundry room. We got one of the boxes mounted. They will be finishing the wall. They're going to be thickening it up basically from this column out. So that looks to be about 5 inches, which will take it out to the box here. So that's that. That's all I can see there. That will be right there. There's two outlets, and then plumbing outlets, and then a power outlet. That's going to be our water heater, single port water heater, and that'll be to service the kitchen. A lavatory. Nothing really new in a lav. Again, toilet will be against this wall here, out, and this will be a 34-inch vanity, single sink right here. And there will be a light fixture attached to the wall there. Okay, in the kitchen, dining, and living room, they've got this much done as far as the ceiling. So a lot of the metal's up. All the way over to here. So they got the downriggers almost to this wall, so pretty close. We do have the perimeter angle bar on there. And over to there. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. There's the electrician doing some conduit work up there. Really? And JR. And Foreman. And Lulu Pio's son. All working on ceilings in the living room. All right. There's Shenrik and Sella. Hi guys. Oh, look at them. I already did. So yeah, they got ceilings coming along very quickly. I'm surprised how quickly this is going. So it's good to see this progress happening for sure. Looks like they have the hallway blocked. I'm going to go around to the master bedroom, enter through there. There's the well area, the wildlife, scavenger. So these tiles here, let's see, okay, good, yeah, it's open. Okay. So these are the tiles that are going to sit underneath this detail here. All around all 4 sides of the post. We'll have this, I call it stacked stone. So that's kind of what that looks like. It's So that'll be between the floor and this detail feature right here. So this area here will be filled with these. All four sides. So that's what that's going to look like. This is our shower tile that we picked up. So this is what's going to go on the shower floor. Do we have one that's open? Stella's going to open that for me. All right, and that's what the shower floors are going to look like. It's not real abrasive, but definitely have good traction, so you shouldn't slip in the shower. So again, that'll be for the master and the main bath showers. That's that. This is all of our cement board. So this is what the ceilings are going to be done in. And it's not real thick. 3.5 millimeters. 3.5 millimeters thick. And these are 4x8 sheets. So that's that. So yeah, all the columns underneath this detail, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 2 on the front porch, and then 1 in the garage. So all those will be getting that that stacked stone, I'll call it. Master suite. Start in the closet. So all the ceiling's done in here. A lot of the electrical's done too. As far as ceiling lights, those will all be recessed. I think we've got like 40 exterior that go in the soffit areas and in the garage, carport. And then we've got, I think, 80 recessed lights inside the house. So we'll be ordering 120-ish recessed lights. So I've got 2 over there in the shower, 2 here in the middle, 2 over here, and then we've also got lights over this dual sink vanity that's going to go over here. Hold on a second. What's that? You're going to do salary? Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So that's it there. And then real quick, the tile in the shower will be at this level here. So shower tile will run across there, across that little detail there, across this whole wall, that little detail. Oh, actually, I think I dropped. And then come across here, and then down to this wall here. And then, obviously, this interior wall here and this interior wall. This opening, and this opening will all be tiled. So that's that. Nice view out the back. All right, let's see if we can make our way into the other rooms here. Real quick though, master bedroom ceiling framing is done. Looks like the recessed light wires are all set too. So that's that. Looks like they started here in the hallway mounting. Looks like all the angle bar is up, and they started some of the downriggers. So that's good. Laundry room, nothing new in here. looks good. All right, bedroom. Ceiling is complete. Looks good. Looks like all the recessed lights, wires are ready. Drop down. This is a closet here, so that's 6 footish. There. And they got the ceiling in here also. Yeah, there's a ceiling in there too. All the framing for it, I should say. That's done. The painters didn't seem too worried about any of the cracks. They said they would grind this out and repair it with epoxy. And then all the spider web cracking also, they said no big deal. So that's that. I'll move the scaffold over a little bit. All right. Okay, decent light. I didn't know how the video was going to come out, but I can see. All the ceiling framing is complete in here, and I apologize if I'm making you dizzy with all this. I guess there really is no easy way to video this. So that's that. We will have a ceiling fan in the master bath. I didn't point that out, but ceiling fan in the main bath here also. Exhaust fan, sorry. Those are exhaust fans. And then light, and then there'll be 2 lights over this vanity area, so there'll be a vanity across here. That's that. Bench in the shower, 2 showers, his and hers. Again, tile will run up to the top of this wall here, so the tile will come across here. Everything above will be painted up to the ceiling. So ceiling is going to get, oh my gosh, I lost the word. Whatever we paint the ceilings with paint-wise, I can't remember. It's the one that has no sheen to it. And then I'll have Sella add it because I know it'll come to me in a little while. And then we're going to do like an eggshell on the walls, which is kind of between a satin and whatever the ceiling was, which still didn't come to me. So anyway, so that's it for the bathroom. The other bedroom. Looks like the ceiling's complete in here. Working on electrical. They're doing a good job. Yeah, so there's all the bedrooms will also have a ceiling fan, so that's the electrical for the ceiling fan, and then also recessed lights. So that's that. Again, same closet as the other room, 6 foot wide. So I have 2 3-foot bifold doors. Ceiling is complete, framing is complete in this closet, so that looks good. And yeah, that's all blocked off still. So looks like we got a little bit of cement left. That's about it. We still got work to do as far as putting the roof vents on up top. So I imagine that's why the ridge isn't on the top there. But yeah, here's the, I don't know if I showed you the roof vents before, but these are the roof vents, what they're going to look like. And they will mount on an angle like whatever the angle of the roof is, with this side here facing down, this side here facing towards the top of the roof. That's a little heavy. Let me set that down. So yeah, so that's that. And then on the bottom side, they got that opening there. So hot air is going to go out there. And then this screened area here is where the air exits out of the house, out of the attic, I should say. So that's that. This mosaic tile here, I can't remember if I showed you guys or not last time. But this is going to be the where the mixer valves and shower head are. This will run this direction all the way up and down the wall. So there'll be a detail there like that, and that'll run to the top. Like I said, the tile will end at that height there. So that will run all shower valves. So we got enough for 4 of these because we got two showers in here, and we got 2 showers in the main bath. So that's that. Let me grab that tile and put it back. So that's that. If anybody is interested in this material, the soffit vents, go to the previous video from this one. So we're on what, day 149? So I think it's day 145. I explained the soffit vents there. So that's that. Yeah, I don't see anything else here. All right. So that's it there. Yeah, so that's all the updates. I don't really see anything else to show you guys. Subscribers, pretty much the same. Something in the 1,400s. A lot of comments. So thank you for everybody who is commenting. Do appreciate it. And yeah, that's about all I got. So we will see you guys on Saturday. And with the updates that have happened since then, I'm hoping we have some of the ceiling panels up by then. And not sure what else. Rendering on the outside should be good too. Sorry guys, I'm waiting. There's a motorcycle. We have the noise reduction on, but I'm not sure if you can hear him or not, but it's pretty loud. So that's it there. But these are going to be, I call them a beauty cover. They're going to go on the outside of the gutter and make it look pretty. So they will attach to that frame right there. So that's what these are. All right. Okay, that's all I got. I see Sella. Looks like she paid the crew. It is Wednesday. And like I said, we'll see you in a few days. Okay? We out. Bye.